It's Darcy here from the OC Crafters, and how you going? And today I'm going to be going over my new hinged cuffs. And I've got the stand here from the phone, so pretty much getting this for you. I'm in the Vic Pole shirt and got the badge there, so let's get into this video. So these are Guardwell hinged handcuffs, which I've recently obtained. I'll try and upload the some other videos. My internet has been out because, well, Telstra. Where I live, pretty much everyone hates Telstra. They are useless. So these are the hinged cuffs, and I'll do a size comparison. So these are the one of my chain cuffs that I had, and size difference is quite big. So the cuffs are actually hinged. Here is the double locking mechanism. You can access the double locking mechanism from either side. Gotta throw them like this, so if I go from a cuff pouch, they're in my hand like that. The only bad thing about these cuffs is that they don't fit into my basket with leather handcuff pouch, so I've got to go and save up some money, purchase another one which will fit these. So for the meantime, I've just got another handcuff pouch on there which fits. So lots of ratchet teeth, and you can kind of see now. Just try and get you like that good resolution. And I've already put the new key on. So the way that these cuffs work is like the chained ones, just put them on like that. But alas, these chain cuffs are really cheap and they're not the best. I've got three pairs of operational chain cuffs, and they do and they're not in the best of condition. Like, these are the best pair of chains. The others are either too fast, have dents and stuff. So many problems. Chained ones are all good. So I'll apply them for you. So I'll put in the double locking mechanism. I can find the same key. So the way double locking works, I put it in up here, go down, and now the ratchet here, it can't go any further, so it just stays like that. And to undo it, I chuck the key in, turn to the left, I'll hear a click, it goes and opens it. So now I can do that again, and then turn it to the right. I'm free. I'll cuff them to the front. There we go. I won't cuff them behind my back because it is quite hard to, well, it's pretty much impossible, even with the keys in the cuffs, to undo these from if they are behind your back. But these cuffs are really good because, like with the chain ones, if I put them like that, it doesn't always go in, or they'll go like that. But these chain cuffs, Still like a beauty. Have it like that. Still works. Just pretty much 99% of the time, when you put the cuffs on to yourself or somebody, like this jacket I've got down here, 99% of the time, it will go on. Thank you, jacket. You can go. But yeah, these are definitely way better than the chain cuffs. I'll still keep the chain cuffs for if I ever do I am planning to do some filming, film for shows and stuff, and just trying to get stuff organized. But I want to still keep these chain cuffs as a memory for when I primarily use these. But also if I film stuff, like a movie that's set in the 1990s or something. Yeah, but these cuffs are quite good. They fit in majority of the holsters. So the handcuff pouches, they fit in the ballistic vest. They fit in all of the nylon pouches, except for the one on my detective's belt. So that's also another reason why I've got to keep these chain ones. Yeah, so the belt. So actually, there's about 3 handcuff pouches, which these don't fit into. The Baskerville leather one on my primary belt, the handcuff pouch on the detective's belt, and then the handcuff pouch on the Marinera command belt. But these cuffs are really good, and I'm confident that these are going to serve me well. Because I paid $80 for these. Was it 90? Like $80, $90 for these from kitbag.com.au. And I'm confident that these are going to do well. I'm probably going to purchase some more of these and probably purchase some more kits as well. But yeah, these are really good. I'm happy that I have got these. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider leaving a like. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. And if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. It's free. You can change your mind. You got no obligations. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.